Yes. So now I am showing you the question. This is the first question. Try to solve the question and try to count your marks. And after the session, I want to see that how much marks you got. And I will count the time also. For every question, I will give you only 2 minutes. Maximum 2 minutes I will give you. 2 minutes is also maximum, but I will give you maximum 2 minutes. So your time start now. And all of you, please try to count your number, that how much you are getting. Then after the session, please tell me how much you get. Okay. Only 1 minute left. I need reply from everyone. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Okay, everyone is giving the answer. So I want 20 seconds. 10 seconds left. Okay, done. So yes, you were correct. This is the answer. Answer is 1. Answer is 1. Okay, all of you who have correct the answer, please mark 1. Please add 1. Kriparam, you are wrong. So please add 1 in your marks. Add 1 in your marks. Okay. Then I am moving to the next question. Next question. This is the next question. Next question. Kriparam, this question was already done in our previous class. This question was already done. Time already started. You have only 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes you have to reply. Okay, giving the answer. Okay, Rashmi giving the answer. Only 30 seconds left. Last 30 seconds left. Okay, okay, it's time up. Time up. So yes, 1 is the correct answer. Yes, 1 is the correct answer. So who have marked the answer? Add 1. Add. वीडियो स्टॉप हो गए क्या? Is it visible? Okay. So try to reply the question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Try to solve question number 3. Your time already started. I will give you only 2 minutes. You cannot read the question. You need some zoom. Is it not clear? Okay, giving the answer. Kriparam is giving the answer. So only 30 seconds left. Last 30 seconds left. Last 30 seconds left. Okay, time up. Time up. So it is the question from research aptitude, and it is asking the research studies, interruption, meaning, attenuation. That is, what is the answer? See the answer. Answer is 4. Answer is 4. All of you got the wrong answer. Answer is 4. Answer is 4 means this is the answer. 1, 3 and 4. Historical studies, philosophical studies, and 4 that is ethnographic studies. Answer is 4. Answer is correct. Answer is 4. You don't know this question, don't worry Rashmi. I will start research aptitude, you will learn with me. Who don't know the research aptitude, don't worry. I will start research aptitude soon. You will learn research aptitude with me. Don't worry. Okay, I will explain when I will start the teaching research aptitude. I will explain. Don't worry Rashmi, okay. I will explain. This is a surprise test for everyone because who are preparing for the NET June, then they should prepare for everything, right? Because June is already over, July is passing on, so I want to see that where you are actually where you are. And Rashmi, who are new, don't worry, I will discuss everything, don't worry, okay. Now this is again from research aptitude. Okay Manish, I will check and let you know. Now I can't check, but I will check and I'll let you know. Please ping me in WhatsApp also. Now next question also from research aptitude. Sound is low. Sound is low. Okay. For the option 4, question 4, the answer is coming. The answer is coming. Bibliography given in the research report. Can't hear. It is not audible. For the option 4, question. No, it is audible. Tulasi, I think it is problem in your side. Tulasi, I think it is problem in your side. There is no problem. It is audible. I can hear also. So bibliography is given in the research report, that is the helps those interest of in further research. The option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer, that is helps those interested in the further research, that is the bibliography, right? So please count, everyone, please count your number, how much you are getting. Only Kalyani is correct. I can see Kalyani correct, Sarita correct, but Manish, Rashmi, Kriparam, all of you are wrong. All of you are wrong. So please count your number. Now coming to the next question. Next question is multiple intelligence. So we have to learn the theory of different theory are there in the teaching aptitude. I will provide you a chart. Next day in some session I will provide you the chart for all the theory, which theory is developed by which who is the inventor. I will give you the chart. Now this is the fifth question, question number 5, the multiple intelligence. Try to reply with the question number. Everyone try to reply with the question number, so that I can understand that for which question you are replying. Try to reply 5 point, the answer is this. Okay, Kalyani is giving the answer, Kriparam is giving the answer, Subhangi is giving the answer. Okay, so time up, time up. So yes, this is the answer. Option 4 means Howard Gardner. Howard Gardner is the developed by Howard Gardner. This is Howard Gardner is the answer. Option 4 is the answer. Multiple intelligence invented, developed by Howard Gardner. Okay, 5 don't know. Okay, now you have to know. In that way you have to practice. Okay, in that way you have to practice. So now you know. That time when I was asking the question, then that time the question is unknown to you, but now it is known to you, right, Manish and everyone? Now the question is known to you, that is who developed the multiple intelligence. Now please remember, that is Howard Gardner. So this is like general knowledge type question, right? This is like GK type question, and I will provide you the chart also. I have made one chart in my preparation. I will provide you the chart for the theory, different theory, and what are the theory. Okay, yes. So now that's why I am telling ki previous year's question is very important. You can judge yourself. You can you will know about how the question is coming. Now come to the research aptitude question again. Again this is a question from research aptitude. Your time started. Try to answer like 6 point. Try to answer in that way, that 6 point. Okay, Manish is giving the answer. The research design is specially related to which of the following feature of the research? Which of the following feature of the research? Okay, time up, time up. Okay, everyone is giving the answer. So, what is the answer? The answer is option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer, means 1, 3, 1, 2 and 3 means it is sample collection, formulation of plan and deciding about the tool for data collection. Option 2 is the correct answer, that is 1, 2 and 3, sample collection, formulation of plan and deciding about the tool of the data collection. Right? So, Manish is correct, Kalyani is correct, Kriparam is correct, but Rashmi, Nishida, Sarita, you are wrong. You are wrong. So, in that way I am trying to judge my student also, that where you are actually your research aptitude, how you have prepared about research aptitude, so that I can plan for the next. Okay, now 7, question number 7, again research aptitude. So be careful about research aptitude. Question number 7, again research aptitude. I can zoom. No, it will be not possible. Through which research method the manipulation of an independent variable and its effect on dependent variable is examined. So we have to learn different types of research. From different types of research the question is coming every year with reference to hypothesis under controlled environment, under control condition. Seven. No idea. Okay, Nishida, don't worry. Nishida, Rashmi, who are learning with me, who have started just now. So don't worry. I will teach research aptitude also. Don't worry. I love research aptitude. I will teach research aptitude also. Don't worry. Okay, everyone is giving the answer. So it is experimental research. Experimental research is here the effect of, that is determining independent and dependent variable. We will discuss the topic today. I will not discuss the topic, but we will discuss the topic in our next class. Now I am coming. Question number 8. Read the question number 8. It is done yesterday. Question number 8. Okay, Kalyani, everyone is giving the answer. It should be correct for everyone. I think this answer should be correct for everyone. This question is already done. Yes, good. This question is already done yesterday, right? So the answer is 4. Question number 8, answer is 4, right? Okay, Sarita, bye. Bye, Sarita. Now question number 9. Question number 9. Who don't know about research aptitude, I am showing the question so that you can get a idea that how what you have to learn and how the question is coming. It is the exact question. I am showing my question paper only. This is my response sheet. I am showing you my response sheet only so that you will get the idea. Okay, so question number 9 answer. Question number 9 answer. Okay, Manish is giving the answer. Time, only 30 seconds left, I think. Okay, Rashmi is giving the answer. Nishida is giving the answer. Time up. Already 11. So, what is the answer? Answer is 1. 1 and 4 both are the answer. Actually it was modified. 1 and 4 both are the correct answer. It was a challenging question. Here 1 and 4 both are the answer. If you are 1, then that is also correct and 4 is also correct. Okay, 1 and 4 both are correct answer. That is go.turnit.com, go.turnit.com, that is also correct, and www.grammarly.com, that is also correct. So after this class, try to find out, try to search the Google that this checking website, right? Try to search what are the website available. Okay, so this both are correct, that is go.turnin.com and grammarly.com, both are correct for the plagiarism. For the plagiarism checking website, both are correct. There are, you can find out 9 to 10 lists are there. Okay, try to search the Google that plagiarism checking website, you will find out the 9 to 10 list. Okay, so just go through the list. This is the GK type question is coming from every subject. Some question are coming like general awareness. Now this is the question. Try to solve this. Question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10. Answer. Everyone answer. Time is going on. Only 1 minute left. This question was done This question was already discussed in the class. In the class I have discussed this question. Manish, Rashmi, Subhangi is giving the answer. Okay, Subhangi again do the correction. Subhangi again do the correction. Kriparam, Nishida, everyone is giving the answer. Time up. So time up. So what is the answer? Answer is option 1. 1 is the answer. It was already discussed. The key called key behavior. What are the key behavior? This question, yes, this question I have discussed. From the list of the effective teaching behavior, identify those who are key. Yes. No, now correction is not allowed. Just now I have shown you the answer. Now you are doing the correction. That is not allowed. The answer is 1. That is 1, 4 and 5. 1 is the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer. That is 1, 4 and 5. This question we have discussed. So see that what question we have discussed in our class. This question we have discussed in our class. But still Manish, Kriparam, Rashmi, Shubhangi, Nishida, everyone is giving the wrong answer. So that's why the revision is very, very important. Okay, okay Manish, so count it. Count it. Okay, so now the comprehension. No, comprehension we can't solve. Comprehension we have to skip it. Yes, this is a reasoning question. Try to solve this reasoning. Try to solve the reasoning question. Reasoning question, try to solve. So we leave the 5 question from comprehension. So now we are coming to the 16th question, means it is actually the 11th question is going on. Try to solve this. Okay, Rashmi is giving the answer. Waiting for others. Only 1 minute. Last 1 minute left. Manish is giving the answer. Kriparam is giving the answer. So all of you know how to solve this question. So what is the answer? I am showing the answer. Anyone left? Last 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1 and go. What is the answer? Let me show. The answer is 3. Answer is 3. So Manish is correct. Manish, you are correct. Kriparam, you are wrong. Subhangi, you are wrong. Kallani, you are correct. Kallani, you are correct. So the premises and some, that is the option 3. 3 means some handmade are not pen. This is the best way to solve this type of question using Venn diagram. We will discuss this type of question also. Using Venn diagram we have to solve this question. That is the best option to solve this type of question. Okay, so 3 is the answer, that is some handmade are not pen. 3 is the answer. Kriparam and Subhangi, you are wrong. Now again question from reasoning. Again question from reasoning. Kallani, try to answer with the question number only. Here the question number is 17. Try to answer like that, 17, with 17. So we know that we leave the 5 question. So after the finishing of the class, we will calculate that how much question we have done and how much you what is your score. Nishida, you know how to solve this type of question? Have you any idea, Nishida? So time 30 second left. Only 30 second left. Okay, Kallani is giving the answer. Manish, Subhangi, everyone is giving the answer. Rashmi is giving the answer. So time up हो गए. 17 answer is 4. All of you are wrong. Answer is 4. Answer is 4. Who are giving the answer is 3. Subhangi, you are wrong. Rashmi, you are wrong. Manish, every time you are doing dialogue. No cheating, Manish, please. Try to answer only like the, what is the option? Option was 1, 2, 3, 4. So try to answer like the option. Okay, the answer is 4. That is C only. Some houses are bricks. That is the answer. Some houses are bricks. That is the answer. Manish, Rashmi, you are wrong. Subhangi, also you are wrong. So option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, Manish, try to apply like that. Now this is a question from communication. Question number 18. Question number 18 from communication. That's why, Rashmi, you have to concentrate. That's why they are asking this type of question only. See, here C is given, but in the option 4 it is given C only. In that way the NTA is asking the question. That's why always try to concentrate that what is the option. According to the option you have to find out the answer. Okay, what is the option? Always they are asking this in this way. So try to prepare yourself like in this mock test. That's why the mock test is important. Okay, maybe you know the answer, but according to the option you will get the wrong answer. Now 18 number question. I will discuss till 20 question, means 15 question we will discuss today. We will 15 out of 15 how much you will get I will see, and everything I will discuss. So one by one topic I will cover. Okay, Manish is giving the answer 18. Rashmi and everyone. So done. 18 number question. I am showing the answer. What is the answer? I am showing you the answer is 3. Answer is 3, that is consumer conscious. Consumer conscious. Option answer is 3. That is media society equation is largely consumer conscious. Right? Who are the consumer? Consumer conscious, that is media and society equation. No, 18 answer is 3. Option 3, consumer conscious. Rashmi, you are wrong. Consumer conscious is the answer. Now 19. 19 again from the communication. Again from the communication. Question number 19. One minute left, only 1 minute left. Reply everyone, try to reply. 19, question number 19. Why the answer is not coming? Confused. Manish is giving the answer. So, time up. Shall I answer? Rashmi, Kriparam, Suvangi, Kallani. Where is the answer? So, the answer is 3. Option 3 is the answer. Option 3 is the answer. So, how much confusing question they are asking? Just see. Just see that how much confusing question they are asking. That's why how much practice is required. It is asking the correct sequence of communication. Correct sequence of communication is no idea. Question option 3. You have to see first paper is nothing but 50% is common sense. From the first paper the question is coming, 50% is from common sense and you have to apply your common sense, right? This question is from common sense only, that you can see the sequence of communication means think like a baby. Kallani, you have the baby, so think like a baby. How the baby is getting the, how the baby is learning the communication. So first one is you have the exposure. The baby have to expose to the environment, then he is getting the information from everyone, he is getting the information from parents, then go for the persuasion, then behavioral change, right? So exposure is first. If your baby is not exposed to the environment, then he will not learn anything. So in that way you have to solve. Paper 1 is not only like cramming, paper 1 is concept and some practical knowledge. Okay, that's why I am showing the question, that all of you are learning but you actually don't know that how the question is coming. That's why I am showing the question paper, so that you can get the exact idea how you have to prepare. Okay. Now last question, it is a analogy question. Last question is analogy question. Sometimes they are asking the analogy also. So this is the analogy question. Sometimes, every time they are not asking analogy, sometimes they are asking one question from analogy. This is the last question, try to reply. Okay, Kallani is giving the answer. Kriparam is giving the answer. This is the Kriparam, it is your subject, right? Kriparam, the subject of Kriparam, I think that is English. So it is the subject of Kriparam. Kriparam can help us for the reading comprehension. You know Kriparam from the English, Kriparam subject is English. So he can help us for the comprehension, reading comprehension. So answer is 3. All of you are Kriparam also, you are only Manish is giving the correct answer. So the answer is 3. Answer is not 4, answer is 3. 3 is the answer, that O is robot, then foot is to skateboard. Answer is 3, not 4. So how much you get everyone? Honestly बताओ कितना मिले किसको? Out of 15 how much you get? Honestly please search mathematical aptitude or logical reasoning, which one? Yes ma'am means which one? Which one you want to start? Research. Okay. Research aptitude is too tough for us. No, not too tough. Actually not so tough. I will teach you. Research aptitude will be easy. Please try to learn with me. It will be easy for you. And you will be get confident about research aptitude. Why the research aptitude we are thinking it is tough? Because it is a new subject. Because the research aptitude is a new subject for us, that's why we are thinking ki this is very tough for us, but actually it is not tough. The research aptitude, there is small area, the area is very small. From small area the question is repetitively asking. Okay, so I will cover the research aptitude after the teaching aptitude. I will start, don't worry about that. And I think from today's class who have till now continuing the session, I can see 7 students are there. So reasoning we will do, definitely reasoning also we will do. So I think you will get some idea about your preparation, where you are in, actually what is your position, you get some idea, and how you have to prepare, you get some idea. And why I am telling you that you have to take first the question paper, try to solve the question paper first, then as per the question wise try to prepare yourself. In that way if you prepare yourself you will get 100% confidence. 100% confidence you will get, because you know how the question is coming. And only NTA NET question, you have to practice only the NTA NET pattern. NTA pattern is totally different. Don't go for the previous year's question paper before 2018. Before 2018 question paper was very easy. I saw that question paper because I have started my journey on 2017. So before on the 2017 I have done all the question paper till the 2017, but actually the level is so much difference. There are too much difference between the level of UGC NET pattern was very easy. They are asking the direct question, but NTA NET is not asking the direct question. That's why try to attempt all the mock test for the 30 question. If you can collect 30 set of question, and if we can solve the 30 set of question, every topic for every subject, then I am assuring you that definitely at least you will get 60 marks. At least you will get 60 marks. I have collected already the 20 set already I have collected for December 2018 and 19, but remaining 21 set, actually 21 set I have already collected. 9 set I required, the remaining 9 set of December 2019 I required. So after that you will be confident. Okay, in that way we will prepare ourselves. I have done this strategy and I got the result. So definitely you will get the result also. Okay, so I think the session is helpful for you all. So we will meet again Monday. Saturday Sunday class will be not there, because Saturday Sunday I am preparing the lesson and everything I am preparing for you. So Saturday Sunday please do the revision. I will come on Monday and we will discuss the more remaining topic of teaching aptitude. We will complete the teaching aptitude first, then we will start research aptitude. Okay. Yes. So how you are feeling, everyone? How you are feeling now? Please share at least one line how you are feeling now. Yes, please send Kriparam. All of you have any question paper, please send me in my mail ID, that is unifystudy@gmail.com. Please send me your question paper, that is Unify Study, so that I will discuss all the question paper. It will be beneficial for all. Gmail.com, sorry, this is gmail.com. This is the mail ID. Please send me the question paper. It will be helpful for everyone. Okay? Yes. Now we are in such a